What's up, everybody? Stock market predictions. Last week, 2 trading days, I made over 9,000. So it's about 5,000 a day. So from September 8th to September 12th, how much did I make? 9,732. So most of the profits came from 2 trading days. But if you average out every day, it's about 2,000 profits. Not bad, huh? So from September 1st to September 12th, remember, we have only 5 trading days a week. Saturday, Sundays are public holidays. So September 1st is Labor Day. So it's only 9 trading days. I made over 12,443. So it's about 2,000, 1,400 a day. So do you want to make like this? Comment down below. So today we're going to talk about what happened in the stock market last week, and also we're going to look at 6 stocks that's going to be reported earnings this week, and which stocks do I like, which stock do I think is going to go up or go down this coming week. Welcome to World Traveling Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. And you know what? This profits makes me happy, but what makes me happier is my mentee. So Petro mentee, she got on the mentorship call, so she made over 719 for open doors. She probably already have made a lot more because that was in August. Right? August, I talked about open doors a long time ago, probably more than a month or two. So congratulations to everybody who makes money. So last week, S&P 500, we made over 1.33%. So like I said before, this year September could be different because of the Fed is gonna cut interest rate. So everybody expecting the stock market probably go up, right? So September may not be the bearish month for this year. So that's an exception. And AI earnings report have been coming out really good. So that's why the stock market was up. September 1st, it was down, right? But now September tend to be a good month right now. So year to date, 12.2%. So it's much better real estate investing. If you invest in real estate, if you make 7% to 10% return every year, that's considered very good. But in stock investing, year to date, only 8 months, 12.2%, very good. Over the past 5 years, 100%. So money double over the past 5 years. So it's about 17% every year average. So we're gonna look at this number. Just remember this number, okay? So Nasdaq 1.54%, yeah, bullish. Year to date, 14.84%, much better than S&P 500. Very normal technologies index, majority of them are AI company because of they jump. So this jump a lot better. 5 year, 105.14%. So as the time goes by, if the stock market keeps going up, Nasdaq gonna keep performing, outperforming S&P 500. Very normal. Dow Jones 0.89%, year to date 8.12%, 5 year 65.72%. So compared to S&P 500 and Nasdaq, this is not exciting. So last week, what happened? Consumer PPI data, inflation data, mostly in line with forecast. This one 0.3%, same with forecast. And producer index, price index went down, surprisingly. Look at it. PPI year over year 2.6%, core PPI 2.8%. Compared to last week, 2.7%. This is bad. This is more than that. Okay, Wednesday, core CPI in line with forecast, in line with last week and the previous week. CPI year over year 2.29%, 2.9%. So nothing surprising, really. Jobless claims higher than expected. Look at this, 263,000. So Federal Reserve, it's almost 100% chance that they're gonna cut interest rate in September, okay? Because jobless claims are getting higher, the revisions of employment rate is lower than expected. Consumer sentiment went down. 35.4 because lots of people lost their job and they could not find their job. So that's why sentiment went down. Yeah, it's pretty normal stuff. So last week S&P it went down. It went down. If you are thinking about opportunity to get in this company, this may be a good time. And this is overvalued right now. Okay, but even with the down 30% overvalued, 5 years it stay beat S&P 500. And it's nearby support level. Look at this 388. Look at this. Yeah. So what happened? So because of China tariff situation, they lowered the guidance for the year, and they also lost one major customer. I think that's temporary. Okay, temporary. I could do trading, or maybe if it gets more and value, I will do some investing. Chewy, I don't like it. Like I said before, it went down. Nothing surprising here. Manchester United, yeah, the soccer could be exciting if you watch soccer, but stock price not exciting. I don't want to own soccer club. Okay, Adobe reported better than expected earnings. They beat expectation, but then Adobe doesn't give any love. See, out of the last 10 reports, they beat 9 out of the 10. Their stock performance really bad. 20.78%, 5 year 25.28%. So what does it tell you? Right? It's just like dating. Yeah, you could be the perfect guy. You study hard, you make money, you have 800 credit score, and you have a good heart, you exercise, you never get sick. Still, the girls may not give you love because majority of the girls, they do not know the value of a real man. Okay, so that's why most girls are in trouble. The same way, most investors, they do not know the real value, the true value of the company. Okay, Adobe's value is a great company in my professional opinions, and I do trading with Adobe. I may probably get back in investing because it's value right now. I think the worst may be almost over. So what's the issue with Adobe? Okay, because people are worried that because of AI, Adobe could be replaced. That's what they think, but their margins are pretty good. And of course, it may take some time for them to monetize AI right now because they are still innovating. So if I were Adobe CEO, okay, if you are watching this video, Adobe CEO, sir, what would I do? I would basically buy Canva, right? Canva or Figma. Figma, yeah, we tried before, but now we can try again. We can start with Canva. Canva is a smaller company, Australian company. Trump administration is very, very friendly to mergers and acquisition right now, right? Like Nvidia's Jason Wang CEO, he paid for the dinner with President Trump. Then after that, hey, China export ban was lifted. H20 chips, he started exporting right now. Adobe CEO, you could do the same, right? Just go to Mar-a-Lago dinner, attend, pay $1 million, and request for help from President Trump administration. You know what? We want to buy Canva. Could you approve? Right? FTC, whatever. Is there anything you can do? Whatever. Then if you can buy Canva, you just eliminate competitions. Then you become monopoly, right? Even if you're a guy, even if your love life sucks, your daily life sucks, what can you do? You can go to the woman island, right? There are so many women, you are the only guy. I'm sure you're gonna get lots of love. The same way, buy your competitors, right? As an Adobe, just buy your competitors, eliminate them. Then your stock performance gonna get so much love. Okay. Next one, Kroger, down, up 0.56. Nothing surprising. Okay, so nothing is exciting. So this week we're gonna have FOMC meeting. So I think this could be by the rumor and said the news. Right, lots of people are expecting the Fed to cut the interest rate. If they cut the interest rate, supply is gone. So the stock market could dip a little bit, right? It may go up on Monday, Tuesday, but it may dip after Wednesday, depending on what Jerome Powell said. And so nothing much exciting except for FOMC, interest rate decision. Okay, stock number 6, Ferguson Enterprises, right? Ferguson Enterprises, this has been around a long time, since 1887. Look at this, year to date up 22.05%. They are in plumbing and heating business. Okay, 5 year, yeah, it beat S&P 500. Hey, I'm interested. It has been around for at least 10 years. Yes, it passed my second criteria now. The third, has it been a business for public company for at least 5 years? Yes, it has been a public company for at least 5 years. So it passed my third criteria. Number 4, do I like this business? I'm not really interested in that business. I'm not specialized in that business, but I can keep this as my watch list. Okay. Number 5, does it have a good financial statement, good balance sheet? Most likely it does because it beat S&P 500. I just need to look at it. It pays dividend 1.57, nothing that much attractive. But if it drops 30% after earnings, but it drops to, let's say, $150. Hey, I may be interested, right? This is a support level, $150. $150 is a good, strong support level. Okay, if it drops to $150, I may think about trading. I could sell put options, or I could buy call options, or I could just buy stock straight. There are so many ways to profit. Okay, I'm gonna keep this in my watch list. Okay, next one gonna be play. Play David Boston, nothing exciting. 21.95% down. 5 year, it doesn't beat S&P 500. It's almost flat. So this is a restaurant business. So I used to buy, but after that I sold it at the top that I got out. They don't even pay dividend anymore. So not interested. Okay. Next one, stock number 4, General Mills, GIS. Look at this, year to down 21.44%. Hey, dividend yield 4.89% because the stock price goes down. So that's why dividend yield is high. Okay, not because the stock company performs really well. No, it's just because dividend yield goes up because stock price goes down. It's not because they pay more. Okay, 5 year, it's negative. Okay, not interested. But if you look at Maxima, what do you see? What I see is uptrend. It's going uptrend. See, down, low, low, low. Hey, if you draw a line from here to here, we got a really nice support. Really nice support right here. Look at this. Right, you can draw the line. Really nice support. So this could bounce back. Okay. This has been around since 1928, since our great grandfather. Okay, so I might trade this stock. Okay, I might trade this stock. It may bounce higher after earnings. Let's see how it's gonna go. Next one, FedEx Corporation, down 16.21. 5 year, it doesn't beat S&P 500. I'm not interested in this business, so I'm not going to buy. Okay, to save you time. Next one, Lennox, real estate home builders. So year to date up 10.26%. Interest rate gonna cut, so that means it's gonna benefit home builders. 5 year, it doesn't beat S&P 500, but it's okay, it's uptrend. So after earnings support, if it goes down, I'm going to be buying. Now if it goes down 20-30%, just for interest rate cut is gonna help real estate a lot. Even if it goes down 20-30%, if it's nothing fundamentally bad, I may get in, by trading or by investing. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this in my watch list. Year to date now. Stock number 1, DIA, is a restaurant business. I like that restaurant. 5 year, it beat S&P 500. Yes. Second criteria, it has been around for at least 10 years, since 1968. It has been a public company for at least 5 years for sure. Do I like this business? Okay, if something like COVID happens again, I may get back in this business. Okay, number 5, financial statement. Yeah, I think it's good. I looked at it before, it was good. So what do I think? All this stock. Do I think this gonna go up? I think it's gonna be flat. 50-50. 50% chance that it's gonna go up. 50% chance that it's gonna go down. So Lennox, I would say 50-50. FedEx, I would say 50-50, GRS 50-50, Play 50-50, Fagusa 50-50. So which stock do I keep in my watch list? Fagusa for sure. If it goes down 20-30%, hey, if nothing fundamentally bad, I may get back in. I may get in. Okay. Next one, Lenas. Yeah, if nothing fundamentally bad as the stock price goes down 20%, 30%, yes. Remember, interest rate cuts gonna be happening, which is really good for real estate. If it goes down 20-30%, I'm gonna take advantage of it. Okay. Next one, stock number one, DRI. I may not really like to buy a restaurant right now because if inflation goes up or if economy soften, lots of people lost their job, they may not like to eat out. Okay, so I'm not going to buy restaurant. So only one, I like this company, I like this company too, I like this company, I like this. Okay, this could be Canon. So out of the four companies, I will trade if it drops, Lenas. If it drops, yes. GRS, maybe I may get back. I may get it before earnings or maybe after earnings. Dividend pays a lot, 4.89%. I just need to look at the financial statement. I haven't looked at it yet. Okay, once I look at it, if I decide to get in any of the stock, I'm gonna send out an alert to my Patreon members. Okay. Any questions, comment down below. If you want to learn more about stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option, go to Master Risk Stock Option Crypto, go to playlist, and you can check out my videos. And if you want to reach out to me, the link gonna be in the description, comment down below. Share,